Hello, today we will guide you through how to automate your Instagram with Zapier and ChatGPT. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a simple, reliable flow that generates captions with ChatGPT on a schedule and prepares a post for Instagram for Business. Start on the Zapier homepage. From there, click Create, then choose Zaps to open the editor where we'll build the automation. First, set up the trigger that starts everything. Open the trigger section and select Schedule. Choose the option that triggers every day at the time you select. Pick a time that fits your audience's habits and confirm your time zone so posts line up with your local schedule. Daily scheduling keeps things consistent and frees you from manual posting. If you're experimenting, choose a time a few minutes ahead so you can see the flow runs soon after setup. Next, move to the action step. In the app search bar, type ChatGPT, then select ChatGPT OpenAI. Under Choose an event, select the option that creates content from a prompt. You'll be prompted to connect your account if it's not already linked. Just follow the on-screen instructions. In the prompt field, be clear about what you want: the topic, tone, and style for your Instagram caption, whether you want a call to action, and any guidance on hashtags or character limits. The clearer your instructions, the better the results. You can refine later by adjusting the prompt rather than rewriting the whole workflow. Now add another action by clicking the plus sign. Search for and select Instagram for Business. Under Choose an Event, pick Publish one or more photos to your feed as a single post or carousel. Note that this only works with an Instagram business account, not personal or creator accounts. If prompted, connect your Instagram for Business account that's linked to your Facebook page. In the post setup, you'll map the caption field to the content generated by ChatGPT, then specify the image or images you want to publish. Use high quality, square, or vertical images for best results, and make sure the files or links you reference are accessible to Zapier. That's the core flow. A daily schedule triggers ChatGPT to write a caption, and Instagram for Business prepares the post. Keep your prompt concise but specific, and consider adding brand voice notes like friendly, helpful, and concise. If your audience spans time zones, schedule for when most followers are active. Once everything looks right in the editor, you're set to automate your Instagram presence with consistent, on-brand content generated for you each day.